Hi everyone, my name is Hazel, and today I'm taking you with me to discover Florence, one of the most fascinating and historically rich cities in the world. This city is the heart of the Renaissance, a place where art, culture, and beauty come together in every corner. If you're planning a trip to Italy, this city absolutely needs to be on your list. In this video, I'll show you the must-see attractions of Florence and give you some tips to make the most of this unique experience. Ready? Let's go! The first stop is, of course, Piazza del Duomo. Here, you'll find three of Florence's most iconic attractions: the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, Giotto's Bell Tower, and the Baptistery of St. John. The Duomo, with its majestic dome designed by Brunelleschi, is an absolute masterpiece. You can climb all the way to the top for a spectacular view of the city, but be prepared to tackle over 400 steps. The Baptistery is famous for its bronze doors, known as the Gates of Paradise. They are an incredible work of art that you absolutely must see. Second stop, the Uffizi Gallery. This museum is a paradise for art lovers. Here, you can admire masterpieces by artists like Botticelli, Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Caravaggio. My advice? Book your tickets in advance to avoid long lines, and dedicate at least half a day to exploring all the wonders this place has to offer. The Ponte Vecchio is one of Florence's most iconic symbols. This ancient bridge, famous for its jewelry shops, is a perfect spot for a romantic stroll or to take breathtaking photos of the Arno River. Don't forget to admire the bridge at sunset. The golden light makes it even more magical. If you're looking for a bit of tranquility and nature, I recommend visiting the Boboli Gardens. This enormous Renaissance garden, located behind the Pitti Palace, is a peaceful oasis with fountains, statues, and incredible views of the city. The palace itself is steeped in history, with museums showcasing collections of fashion, jewelry, and paintings. You can't visit Florence without trying its food. Savor a delicious bistecca alla Fiorentina in a traditional trattoria, or grab a panino with lampredotto from one of the street stalls. For gourmet souvenirs, head to the Central Market. It's the perfect place to discover local products like olive oil, Tuscan wines, and cheeses. Finally, end your day at Piazzale Michelangelo. This is the best panoramic viewpoint in Florence, where you can admire the entire city, including the Duomo and the Ponte Vecchio. If you can, come here at sunset. It's an experience you'll never forget. Florence is a city that will steal your heart with its beauty, its art, and its history. I hope this guide has been helpful for planning your trip. If you need help organizing your trip to Italy, send us a private message. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment with your favorite attractions, and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.